What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tech Product. Have you ever felt like you are throwing money out the window because your heater runs while you are at work? Getting the best Smart Thermostat is the smartest way to fix that. A modern climate control system can really change your monthly bills. Let's get started. One product that stands out in this category is the ecobee E01 Smart Thermostat. This device is all about helping you stay comfortable while keeping your energy bills under control. It is designed to be a total climate control solution for a modern home. One of the most important things the ecobee EB01 Smart Thermostat does is automatically adapt to your daily routine. Instead of you having to remember to turn the heat down every time you leave the house, the thermostat uses its sensors to figure out when you are home and when you are away. It then adjusts the heating and cooling accordingly. This is not just convenient, it is also a huge money saver. By optimizing these schedules and making sure you are not heating an empty house, you can reduce your annual heating and cooling costs by up to 23%. When you compare that to just leaving your system at a constant temperature like 72 degrees all day long, the savings really start to add up over the course of a year. Compatibility is another area where the ecobee EB01 Smart Thermostat really stands out. A lot of people are hesitant to upgrade because they are not sure if a new device will work with their older furnace or air conditioner. However, this model is built to work with around 85% of all common heating and cooling systems. It does not matter if you have a system powered by gas, oil, or electricity. It is also compatible with forced air systems, dual fuel setups, boilers, and even modern heat pumps. To make things even easier, you can use the ecobee online compatibility checker before you even make a purchase. This simple tool walks you through your current wiring, so you can be totally sure that the installation will go smoothly. Once it is on your wall, you will notice how easy it is to interact with. The device features a very responsive and crisp color touchscreen. It is bright, easy to read, and allows you to make manual adjustments with just a quick tap or swipe. But the real magic happens when you use the ECB mobile app. This gives you full remote access from anywhere in the world. Imagine being on your way home from a long trip and realizing the house is going to be freezing when you arrive. You can just open the app on your phone and turn the heat up so it is perfectly cozy the moment you walk through the door. The app also lets you monitor your energy usage in great detail, giving you reports that show you exactly how much you are saving. Another great benefit is that you get regular free software updates. This means that as the company develops new features, your ecobee EB01 Smart Thermostat gets them automatically over your Wi-Fi connection. When it comes to the actual setup, the ecobee EB01 Smart Thermostat is designed for DIY convenience. They really thought about the person who wants to do this themselves. A common problem in many homes is the lack of a C-wire, which provides constant power to the unit. If your home does not have one, you do not have to worry about expensive electrical work. This thermostat can be installed using the included power extender kit, which handles the power needs perfectly. They even include a handy trim kit in the box. This is a wide plate that sits behind the thermostat to cover up any old screw holes or unpainted spots from your previous device, ensuring a clean and professional finish on your wall. Finally, we have to talk about how it handles the different rooms in your house. You can pair the thermostat with SmartSensor technology. These are small, wireless sensors that you can place in the rooms that matter most to you, like your bedroom or your home office. These sensors detect both the temperature and motion. This is incredibly useful because the temperature in your hallway is often different from the temperature in the back of the house. By using these sensors, the ecobee EB01 Smart Thermostat can prioritize the comfort of the rooms you are actually in. If it sees you are in the office, it will make sure that room stays at your target temperature. This leads to a much more consistent and comfortable home environment for everyone. It is finally time to take full control of your home climate and start seeing those energy savings every month. Check the price link in the description to find out more about this unit. Make sure to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more gear guides and home tech updates. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today. Have a great one, and I will see you in the very next video.